Hi there, students. Beatific, Beatitude. Okay, Beatific is calm and relaxed in a holy way. Happy, calm and relaxed. So if you see pictures with angels, they've always got beatific smiles on their faces. Okay, so beatific, where you are really happy, you're blissful, you're blessed. Yeah. He had a beatific smile on his face, yeah, showing that you're really happy. You feel like you've been blessed. Okay, so showing great happiness, great calmness. Um, after all of the people left, there was a beatific calm over the place. I think the most common collocation you're going to find here is a beatific smile. Yeah, expressing blissful happiness, in rapture, ecstatic, blissful, joyful, serene. Okay, beatific. Beatific means very, very happy. A beatitude, the state of heavenly bliss. Okay, he was in a state of supreme beatitude, supreme blessedness, supreme happiness. Okay, so beatitude, complete happiness that comes from being blessed, to be made holy by God. Okay, but then beatitude, a state of beatitude, a state of great happiness and calm. The nun always smiled beatifically at everybody. Okay, so beatific, relaxed, heavenly, calm, blissful, with felicity all over your face. A beatific expression, that's another good collocation. Beatific calm, beatific peace. The picture had a beatific atmosphere to it. So, formality. This is a formal literary word. I think beatific I'm going to give 7.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal writing, better in something very literary, maybe 7 in formality. A beatific smile on his face. Could you use that? I guess you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, but it's a formal. It's really on the formal side. And then beatitude, I think I'm going to go up to 8.5 in formality. Semi-formal writing. Formal writing, something very literary would sound good. As to origin, it comes from French and then itself from Latin, from beatitudo, from beatus, meaning blessed or holy, from the verb beo, to make happy. Okay, so I'm sure you're going to be in a beatic state when in a beatific state. You're going to be in a beatific state when you pass your exams, which you'll probably get the news next month. So beatific and beatitude. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Beatific, beatitude.